In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format a cell. Now I'm going to zoom so that you can see clearly. Okay, so here I'm going to write date here for the title of the column. Then I'm going to write month, capital M for month. Then I'm going to write type. I'm going to type funds for money, funds. Then I'm going to type tax rate. Then I'm going to type total. Okay, so the date. So the date, I'm going to format this cell to, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to click on the cell where I want to format. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to format cells. Then I'm going to choose date. And I'm going to choose this format. I'm going to click OK. Then the month will stay the same. For the funds, which is the money, I'm going to right click, format cells, going to put it to currency, going to put it to 2 decimal places, put OK. Then for the tax rate, I'm going to format this. So I'm going to right click, format cells, and it would be in percentage. I'm going to put 2 decimal places, OK. And then the total, I'm going to right click, format cell to currency, 2 decimal places. So if I wanted 0, I would change this to 0, but I want 2. I'm going to click OK. All right, for the month, I'm going to right click because we don't have half of a month. I'm going to go to format cells. I'm going to go to number. I'm going to choose 0 decimal place. Press. I'm going to click OK. All right. So we don't have half of a month necessarily, generally speaking, right? All right. So the date, I'm going to type today's date, which I believe is the 26th of October 2024. Enter. Right. And there's the format. Um, the month. It's a number that I'm looking for here, right? So it'll be the second month in the year, which is February. The funds, I'm gonna put it at $500. The tax rate, I'm gonna make it 2% because I formatted the cell before. I only need to type the number 2 and I'll get 2%, right? And then the total, I'm going to use a formula. It's going to write equal 500 times 2%, and the total tax would be $10, right? Now, if I want to copy these cells, I can block these cells and then I can drag down. This is a fill handle. I can drag down, and all these cells would have the same format, right? As shown here, right? So if I delete these values here and I type, for example, this, and I'll have to put 12, right? And here's a month. So if I write 2.5 here, it will round up and give us 3 here. Here we have the funds here, 300. Gonna put 2 here and see it has the same format, right? Gonna copy down this cell here. So this is a fill handle. Drag it down and it will copy the formula that is in E2 to E3. All right, so this is how you format cells in Excel. In the next video, We'll be looking at the pivot table. So please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.